welcome to this video. Here you see a Titan lock that I received from Hugo Martel. It has a nice wide open keyway, but look at that bidding. Crazy. But lock works. Yeah, just make sure the key doesn't break or bend. So try to tension it like that. Yeah, should work. Yeah, and I used this ridiculous deep hook that I found in my arsenal. It's the first time that I can make good use of it. So gotta click and turn on the core. I think it was pin 5. I think pin 1 doesn't need to be picked at all. It's probably right at shear line. So maybe I've already overset a pin. I reset. Start again. This is the last pin. And click and turn on the core. Nothing. Little click here. I think pin 1 doesn't need to be picked at all. Probably right at shear line. Aha! And it's open. Very cool. Okay, I think it has only standard pins. And I think also the tolerances are not that good, but wild bidding. So let me see how the disassembling works. So yeah, I just opened the package. I'm not yet really prepared. So let's see. Don't know how this works actually. Oh yeah, it comes out, so pins are at the bottom. Okay. Sorry, I got a follower. Should fit. Let's hope for the best. Okay. Can use my new pinning tray. So yeah, it's a 6-pinner. 1, very long, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Come out of here. Wow. Okay, and now for the driver pins. Oops. Standard. Standard. Oh, what's that? Something is coming into the chamber here. Okay, here's the next driver. That's an interesting lock. I think these are all standards. Nothing special. Oh, that's actually a key pin with a rounded end here. Okay. And the last, somehow lost one pin. Oh, and it comes out. Oh, what's that? Okay, that's outer housing. It's interesting. Okay, okay, I see. There's a spring here, and it's holding something in place. So this little nose, and if the plug is inside, this pin here, or this bar, or how do I say, then holds the outer housing in place. Okay, that's how it works. But I'm still missing one pin, and yeah, here we have the springs. Oops, what's that? That's a tiny spring. Compressed. Oh, and here we have two springs, so spring and spring. And the normal spring. And one driver is missing. There's the sixth spring. Oh no! Oh, I totally messed it up. So that is... Oh. Two pins were at position 3 in the plug. Maybe. So I'm a bit confused. Yeah, that's a driver, and yeah, must have been that way. Huh. Very interesting. Yeah. Here we see all the pins at a glance. All standard. We see the very long key pins at 1 and 5, and a tiny key pin at position 3 and 6, and we see a lot of different kind of springs. Okay, so yeah, here's the plug. Nothing special, everything's normal here, smooth. All chambers, all the plugs, no, all chambers in the plug are smooth, and also nothing special here in the Bible. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and yeah, happy picking. And Hugo, thank you very much for this interesting lock with the wild bidding. Where is the key? Yeah, here it is, with a wild bidding. Okay, bye bye. Quick addendum. I just reassembled the plug with the key pins, and with the key inserted, you see that it makes a flat shear line. Without key, 1 and 5 are almost at shear line, so these are the longest key pins, and stack 3 has got a lot of space left, and when I insert the driver, see it just looks out a little bit, and I think that this was the situation where I picked it open and pulled it out, so I can show you that it goes in quite nice. and you can still turn the plug and yeah, get it out again. Yeah, I think that was the reason why I had 2 pins in chamber number 3. Alright, thanks for watching, happy picking, bye bye!